Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am happy to have you here. My name is Blake and this is Merch Island. Today we're going to crack into vertical and horizontal scaling, what they are and why they're pretty fun strategies to implement in your merch business and why there's some pretty good results that can come out of it. So this is the general strategy that I love to go into. Wait, what? Okay, here we go. So let's say we have this quote here. I'm crazy into foxes. The horizontal scaling is basically you get a list of hobbies, right? And then you swap out foxes for each of these. I'm crazy into sketching, I'm crazy into soap making. You know, you got the gist. So now, once you have done this, this is for maybe when you have about 100 slots. You optimize the listing for that niche, and then whichever one makes a sale, let's say wood carving made a sale. I'm crazy into wood carving. So let's say you uploaded all these, and out of all these, just one made a sale. That is proof from the market that there's interest in that niche, because you haven't even dominated the niche at all, but that someone still bought. So it goes to show that now what you do is something called vertical scaling, which is you go into the niche. Horizontal means you're testing across different niches. Vertical means you go into the niche. So all of a sudden you have wood carving as your niche, and you're going to go into that with a variety of like stock phrases like this. I'd rather be wood carving, right? That'll be one example. And then you do this for about 20 or 15 to 25 different things. Let's go wood carving. And you basically, I love to do text because it's so quick and easy to test niches and shirts, and frankly, Amazon, they don't have such a high aesthetic standard. You can kind of just put jokey text designs and they'll sell. And so now what is a fun practice is you can basically put together all these different niches, like not niches, sorry, phrases. Let's go I'd rather be, obviously make sure that it isn't trademarked. And then as you do this for like, do this 15, 20 times, and then once you find a validated niche, you go vertically deep. So that's the whole lesson for today. Hopefully there's some pretty good ideas that you can use, and I wish you luck. Peace.